Hi friends, this is Ashok. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Finding Happiness in Small Things. So today I'm going to show you my cherry tree and we're going to pick cherries from there. So it's full of cherries now. So it's a very good time and I am thinking that there will be rain coming very soon. But let me show you the cherry tree. Look at all the cherries. They are red, ready to pick. If you can see. So I'm going to pick up, they are quite high. So I'm going to use a ladder. So let's see. So this is the ladder I'm going to take. And I have a bag. So let's go. Let's go pick cherries. From here. This is a cherry. Shoot, here I'm picking up the cherries. Okay. So I'm going to keep it. Here, shoot it from this side so that they can see. They're ripe. So I'm going to take, oh, right there, so many. Yeah, look at that. Look here. Make sure you are covering and I'm picking up. Look. Oop. Falling. Ah. Wow, it's thundering. Okay, look at this. Okay, I think the rain is starting fast, so we'll come back later. But there is many cherries, many cherries. It started to rain. It's thundering. There's a lot of cherries, but we will come back them because they are so ripe. So they are so ripe, so I'm going to pick up more. Oops, some fell down. Look at this. Oops. Look at this from this side. I'll go from the other side. Look at all these. Beautiful. Okay. Yeah. They are yum. Good thing we planted it. We planted these trees around 4 or 5 years back, like small trees, and now they have grown up. Okay. So when you are setting up this ladder, make sure it's stable on the ground, don't fall. We have that on the cherries. Okay, so we have collected a lot of cherries from the lower portion of the tree. I could reach with this ladder. Now I have to reach the upper part of the tree. I see a lot of cherries there. So for that I have to do something else. I have a pole with the hook. So I'm going to have them fall on the ground and then I'm going to pick them up. Okay, it's very sweaty outside. It's like a lot of humidity. Though it rained, but it's still sweaty. But we have to do this job. Otherwise these cherries are not going to remain there. So I have this solution. This is hook. And this hook is used to get pears, apples, and any fruit that is bigger in size from the top of the tree. So this has a cushion inside, so you can pick the fruit from, hook it from here and pull it. The fruit is going to fall inside and it's not going to fall on the ground. But since the cherries are small, so cherries I cannot hook them. Some of them will come inside, but not all. So this is the connector to a pole. This is a bigger pole, and I can extend this pole really long, and I can bring it back because it has these twisties. So if I twist the pole that I'm going to use, you can extend it long, you can adjust the height, but this is pretty handy, and I'm going to adjust this connector in front of this. So it is connected. Now I'm going to use this to pick all my cherries. So it's going to fall on the ground. So let's see. So friends, I'm done picking up all the cherries, and I'm glad to report from my one of the tree I picked up almost 7 pounds of cherries. And I have only one cherry tree, but I will recommend everybody to plant fruit trees. So they are good for your own eating, or if you want to sell and have a business, you can grow couple of them, maybe 50, 60, and can have very good business out of that. So they're delicious cherries, and you have to just care for them time to time, and that's all. And they will give you every year fruits. So this is about cherries, and other videos that I will make about is like apples, pears. So for you, my cherry pick. So these are around like 5 pounds, and 2 pounds I already picked last time. So just look at them. They look delicious. They are delicious, tasty. I'll recommend everybody plant fruit trees in their backyards, in their houses, wherever possible, and eat seasonal fruits.